In this video, I'll show you how to add audio in Canva Mobile. Open the Canva app on your phone. Open the design or video project you want to edit. At the bottom, tap the Elements button. Scroll through the options and tap Audio. You can search for music or audio inside Canva. Tap a track to preview it. When you find one you want, tap it to add it to your design. If you want to upload your own audio, go to Uploads. Tap Upload Files and choose the audio file from your phone. Once the audio is added, tap it on the timeline. You can trim it, move it, or adjust where it starts. And that's how to add audio in Canva Mobile.